Hello, ever wondered if a file on your PC is a PDF, a JPEG image, or an MP4 video? By default, Windows 11 hides file extension formats, which can be confusing and risky. Here is how to show file extensions in just 2 simple clicks. First, open File Explorer by clicking the yellow folder icon on your taskbar, or by pressing the Windows key and E together on your keyboard. At the very top menu toolbar of the File Explorer window, click on the View tab. Move your mouse down to the bottom of the drop-down menu and hover over Show. A sub-menu will appear on the right side. Click on File Name Extensions to put a check mark next to it. Instantly, you will see the exact file format like .pdf, .png, or .exe appear at the end of every file name on your computer. If this guide helped you, please like this video and subscribe to TAC Team for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.